Jai Hind, my dear cadets. Here myself, third officer Dr. Vasudha P. Kamath, KRCS English Medium School, Bailongal, 5 Karnataka Girls Battalion, Dharwad. Last classes, we learn about NCC, aim of NCC, motto of NCC, and abbreviations of NCC. Now we are going to learn about organization structure of NCC and camps of NCC. The organization structure of NCC like this: Directorate General, Directorates, Group, Unit, Under Unit, Senior Division and Junior Division, Army, Navy, Air for schools and colleges. The NCC by two additional Director Generals A and B of 2-star ranks, Major General, Rear Admiral or Air Vice Marshal, 5 brigadier level officers and other civil officials also assist him. Directorate. There are 17 directorates located in the state capitals headed by an officer of the rank of Major General from the three services. Division Regimental Corps. There are 3 such specialized corps located in Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore respectively. They are independent of the state directorates and reports to the headquarters. These divisions form the support function of the regular NCC. Each is headed by the senior officer, an equivalent rank of Lieutenant General, Internal Affairs, Administration, Development and Research Lieutenant General, SUO Arvind Shekhar, New Delhi. General SUO Prithvi Pant Negi, Mumbai, Special Forces, Infantry, Gallantry Committee and Commendation Lieutenant General SUO Bhav Salimat, Bangalore. Group. Depending upon the size of the state and growth of NCC in the state's directorates, have up to 14 group headquarters under them, through which they exercise their command and control of organization in the state. Each group is headed by the officer of the rank of brigadier or equivalent, known as group commander. Company. Each battalion consists of companies which are commanded by the associate NCC officer ANO of the rank of lieutenant to major. In all, there are 96 group headquarters in the country who exercise control over a network of 684 Army wing units, including technical and girls unit, 69 naval wing units and 61 air squadrons. There are 2 training establishments, namely Officers Training School, Kamti, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and Women's Officers School, Gwalior, besides the Vice Chancellor of various universities across India are conferred with the honorary rank of Commandant in NCC to promote and support NCC in their respective university. Battalion. Each NCC group headquarters control 5-7 units battalions commanded by the colonel and lieutenant colonel or equivalent. Now we are going to learn about NCC camps. The types of NCC camp is Republic Day Camp RDC, Basic Leadership Camp BLC, Army Attachment Camp AAC, Annual Training Camps ATC, Thal Sainik Camp TSC, Advanced Leadership Camps ALC, National Integration Camps NIC, Rock Climbing Camps RCC. Republic Day Camp RDC. Before RDC, all group headquarters have to face the IGC Intergroup Competition. NCC Republic Day Camp is the culmination of all NCC training activities. RDC is held at Garrison Parade Ground, Delhi. Camp from 1 to 29 January. 1850 selected NCC cadets from 17 directorates attend the camp. The camp is inaugurated by the Vice President of India and culminates with the Prime Minister's rally on 28 January. During the camp visit of Raksha Mantri, Cabinet Ministers, Chief Ministers of Delhi, three service chiefs, and various state ministers, VIPs are also organized. During the RDC, various competitions are conducted among us the 17 NCC directors to decide the champion directorate for award of Prime Minister's banner. Combined Annual Training Camps CATC. In CATC, cadets are trained in basic skills of survival and emergencies. They are also taught certain skills pertaining specifically to their wing. For example, naval cadet is trained in boat rowing, organizing semaphore, etc. Another activity in the camps, the dog watch, where two cadets are stay on sentry duty for 2 hours. Any time given time of the day. Those caught sleeping, especially during the late night or early morning shifts or otherwise missing from duty, are severely reminded or penalized. Cadets are also introduced to weapons such as a .22 caliber rifle. National Integration Camp NIC. NIC is a propagate national integration among cadets and society. These camps are considering for SSLC and higher secondary course +2 grace mark. These camps are conducted on all India basis and help bridge the cultural gap among various states of India. In addition, there are 6 special NICs conducted at Leh, Nagrota, J and K, Jammu and Kashmir, Chakbama, Nair, Nagaland, Srinagar, Lakshadweep and Port Blair. Advanced Leadership Course. Advanced Leadership Camp is conducted in many places. In this camp, the officers give cadets training for SSB screening and entrance. Now come to the Army Attachment Camp. These camps are conducted by the NCC in collaboration with the Indian Army, as the willing cadets are attached regiments undergoing the training period of 10 to 15 days. In this camp, the cadets are 10 to 15 days. In this camp, the cadets are trained by the instructors of the particular regiment in the military tactics, including day-night warfare, and also get familiar with the weaponry. Thal Sainik Camp TSC is a 12 days camp conducted in Delhi every year in the late autumn, in which the cadets are selected from all 17 directorates, 30 plus 3 cadets from each directorate, by the selection procedure, conducting 3 pre-TSC camps, each of 10-12 days in a week interval. The selected conducting 3 pre-TSC camps, each of 10 to 12 days in a week interval. The selected cadets then are sent to the TSC to represent their respective directorates in the following competitions. Youth Exchange Program. The aim of YEP is a country-to-country exchange of cadets belonging to NCC equivalent government youth organizations of friendly countries, and participation in various activities and appreciation of each other's socio-economic and cultural realities. I hope, my dear cadets, you understand. Now next class we will meet with new chapter. Jai Hind.